I am coming back for a second time talking about Now's whole Psyllium husk, the 1 pound bag. Now, this is not powdered, so this is like about as pure as you're going to get it. I have IBS, and this has saved the day for me. I've been using it now for over a year. I use it every day. I used to split it up, taking a tablespoon in the morning and a tablespoon at night. I just started taking 2 tablespoons in the morning with a cup of water, and again, great results. It just makes me feel better during the whole day, no matter what I eat. It definitely makes me more regular. And if you have stomach issues, this is certainly worth giving a try. I've tried other ones. Look, Psyllium Husk is Psyllium Husk. Really good results with them. Great price. I do look around the different sizes they have to make sure I am getting the best price. If you have IBS, if you have other stomach issues, this is perfect for you. You can read up on it. It's proven. It's one of the simplest things you can do to feel better and to get your gut back to where it needs to be, so you're going to feel good every day.